Okay, here's the front end. About 2 feet, it was a little less. I can always add on something for the hand railing. Here's the radiator. Flip the angle iron around. Put the bolts. I put this expanded steel so no one can, or nothing bumps into the front of the radiator. Cut one of the tubing out here because the axle will go in with another tubing. Didn't want it in the way. I might have to grind a little bit underneath there. Got the engine going. Got to take the fuel pump off because we got the electric one. Put the plate on there. Got the wiring figured out. There's the battery box thawing out because there was water in it. We'll probably weld that right here because here's the cables here for the battery. Here's the cab. This was 8 feet long. We extended 4 in the back, 2 in the front, and 3 foot 3 inches. So we lost a little bit here, but I just wanted to cut these in half and weld them together. So then there'll be a platform on the front and the back with a hand railing and not on the side. This was my idea with this. We got a little bit of welding yet to do, like here, and we'll weld this once I figure this out. Here's the pillow blocks, here's the brackets, here's also the brackets for this, and then that piece of steel will get welded center on here because I have to build up enough room for the sprocket to clear with the chain. And then there'll be a solid post going across here too on top. And then same thing here. Here's where this is gonna meet there. And then it'll go there. Now this is 38 tooth. And this was like, what did it say? I can't remember. It was almost half that. So coming out of the rear end, these are the same tooth. I forgot what they were. I should write on them. And these are the same tooth. So we're rotating forward, speed never changed. There'll be a chain on each side because this is a rear end out of a truck, or actually an older car, and so only one wheel would turn, which is fine. But if one wheel is going to turn, then the freewheel side on the other side won't turn. So then I have to put sprockets on each side. It's a single shaft anyways, it's going to, and it's just like if you were to drive down the road with tires. One side spinning, the other side's free idling. You're going down the road the same speed on both sides of your car anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But then whatever side's driving, it puts it to this 1 7/16 shaft, and then everything will be keyed. Now, that's 38, this is half. So if we're in first gear here, and if this is spinning here, and this is spinning, that's spinning, and that's spinning half the speed of that. And then also the railroad wheels are smaller than the car tires, so we'll even be going slower yet. I'd rather go slower than too fast. There is the drive option, but I have a feeling we'll probably be only going 1 to 2, and then neutral, reverse, and park. And then here's the air pump V-belt. We'll be putting that on there. And we got an air tank from an old air compressor, so we'll have air brakes and an air horn. And then this will be our cab. Here, 2 sliding windows. Right now it's 14 feet, might end up being 15 feet. I might add on 6 inches to the front in the back for the hand railings. And then it's going to be 6 feet wide. So not full train, but part train. And then the cab, the door, you'll go up the side hand railings, steps. There'll be a door here in the middle probably. And then you'll walk in kind of like Ryan and I's Plymouth. And then your controls will all be up front, and you'll be able to stand in the cab. So yeah, that's what we got going on here.